There you go. And there's music. So this is kind of like a night market where a lot of people just come by and pick up their foods, and I'm gonna get something and I'll show you what it is. So I'm quite happy I'm getting to do this in the one day I'm here. So we'll show you what the food looks like.
Caribbean Chronicles by Liesl. Goodbye Trinidad. Queen's Park Savannah food strip. I couldn't have chosen a better way to end my visit to Trinidad than a visit to the night market to get some food. For me on that night, it was about getting the cow heel soup, the famous doubles, and a bake. There are several other things you can buy at the market. Be sure to browse and pick up whatever it is you fancy.
Can you wrap it? Yeah, how many? Just one. Huh? What? You want pepper hot sauce? Yeah, a little bit. Let me get one with you. Getting some doubles. Thank you. Oh wow. Yes, just one. How much? 6? Oh, sorry. You have to get some fresh. Ah! Wow. You know what I didn't try? A roti, but I can't eat everything, so now I'll be mad. Just some. So you will find a lot of people eating soup, and there are different versions of it. People can also eat the corn one, which is, I think you can say, is it vegan? And you say the corn soup is veggie. Okay, it's vegetarian, not vegan, but so there's an option for you there if you're vegetarian. And I'm getting some bacon.
Right now you can see palori being made. Palori is a spicy split pea dough that is crunchy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. It's served with several different sauces such as chutney. The other food item you see is a pie. In this case, it's a chicken pie. So it's common to note that quite a number of things will be deep fried, but browse and find the options that you like.
So this is the cow heel soup. It's really good. I like it. There's something in it, I don't know what it is, but yeah. So this, my friends, is doubles. Okay, let me do that. I am riding with Whitney. Whitney is the first female taxi driver I'm getting in the Caribbean, and guess what? We are in Trinidad. Whitney knows everything about Carnival, and she actually worked at a resort, so she does know about what you can do, how to get about, where to go. So I'm gonna let Whitney say hi, tell about herself and how you can find her if you're coming to Trinidad and you need a private driver.
My number is 715-4724, but make sure I put the 868 at the beginning of it. Alright, when you come to Trinidad, I assure you we will have an awesome time. There's lots of places to go and lots of things to do. Lots of food to eat. And the bacchanal, never done.
You heard that live and direct. This is Whitney from Trinidad, and if you were thinking about Carnival, make sure you hit her up because she has a professional car and she's serious about this, and we want to make sure that happens as well soon. I've checked in, I've dropped my bag off. I think I see a Starbucks. I'm gonna go get coffee. My taxi to the airport cost 250, which in euros, oh, that's Starbucks, and there's something else. Okay, so there are different coffee things, so I will go there. Tobago arrivals, Tobago. Oh, if you're going to Tobago, is that way? So if you're going to Tobago, it's that way. And there's a Starbucks. Let's go get coffee from Starbucks. And there's Rituals coffee. Where did I see Rituals Coffee? Ah, in St. Lucia as well. Yeah, that's true. So let's go get a coffee from Starbucks. And then, before I go in, I don't think I have to go in on time. Over here, might say big banana nut bread. Take coffee. And then shake ice, lemon tea. This is where the gates are in the airport in Trinidad. I'm going to the bathroom. My gate is 13, and I mean, it was quite quick with the security. It wasn't so much. But one thing I noticed is, and one thing that I've heard now, is that they have a serious case of like trafficking. Now I'm on the flight to St. Lucia, and Shadi is going to come pick me up from the airport. And then I want to take the bus down to Soufrière. I'm looking forward to the apartment, but yeah, oh god, I wanted to call someone to find out if I could arrange something for today. I'm thinking it's not going to work that way, but I'm not far from the sulfur thing, so maybe I'll just do it myself with, you know, apartment instead of like trying to go on one of those tours, but we'll figure it out. So let's go.
As soon as I boarded, I started making plans of how I would spend the rest of my days in St. Lucia, including mentally preparing myself for my Roti hike. So that episode is going to be coming, so stay tuned. For now, if you are going to visit Trinidad and you need a private driver, be sure to reach out to my girl Whitney, as she can help you out. I do hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Yours truly, Liesl81.